What's up guys, it's your boy Trent back at it with another vlog. Today I'm finally gonna go probably to Best Buy and go get another GoPro charger. So if I am successful in doing that, then I'll have some POV footage for you guys later in the vlog, so stay tuned. Hoping that this works. Stupid GoPros. So GoPro's charging up. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mount, and then I'm gonna go ahead and record some pretty dope POV footage for you guys. What's up guys? So I just left the house just because I felt like getting out for a bit, but I'm gonna go fill up with some gas. As you can see, I'm on empty, and then after I might hit the freeway for a little bit, and we'll go from there, see if we can catch any runs. One day, sometime soon, maybe, I'll be putting 85. But for now, good old 91. Filled up on some gas. These coilovers, I set them way too low and way too stiff on the dampers. This shit's bouncy as a motherfucker. And I was trying to wash the car yesterday, and I couldn't wash it at my house because my shit got stuck like right away pulling in. And I went to the car wash and tried going through one way, got stuck, and then had to go like through the other side of it. So I'll probably raise it up a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty solid. got to give a gap, and then after got a pretty hard gap by a speed 3. So but I'm just gonna head off. Those were the only 2 cars that we're trying to run in tonight. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next vlog.